What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make boneless spare ribs. Alright, family, so for those of y'all that didn't know, I started to eat whole foods starting January and wanted to recreate all my vegan recipes for you guys, but this time using plants and whole foods, guys, especially mushrooms. As you can see, I'm showing you guys how to tear it. I went to this Chinese restaurant in Brooklyn, New York, and they had the best boneless ribs, and I had to recreate it. So I'm showing you guys here how I did that using King Oyster Mushrooms. Alright, family, so the recipe is on my website. Definitely check that out. I know y'all wondering what did I use for this red, but your boy hooked you up, so go to my website and check it out. Alright, family, so for today's boneless spare ribs recipe, we're gonna be using these skewers that I got at the dollar store for just $1, and we're gonna put them all on the skewer and throw them babies on the grill. Alright, family, as you can see, I marinated our oyster mushrooms overnight in this beautiful seasoning, guys. Alright, the recipe will be on my website. Alright, family, so what we're gonna do is just grab these mushrooms and just push them on these skewers so we could put them on the grill. Alright, guys, make sure your ribs don't stay dry. Keep adding that barbecue sauce on there while it's grilling, alright? Alright, family, so take a look how many char they are. Put them on the side. Ooh, don't you just love these ribs? Don't forget to hit that like button, family, and subscribe to these beautiful alkaline recipes. Alright, family, so now let's just add all the barbecue grilled boneless ribs into the bowl. After making our boneless spare ribs, we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna make black rice. Alright, family, so I'm gonna add a little grapeseed oil to my pan. And since we are making black rice, I'm gonna add some black garlic. Alright, family, so now we're gonna add at least 2 cups of black rice. Look, everybody knows how to cook rice, but what I like to do is like cook it down without the water in the garlic, and then I'm gonna add some Himalayan salt and some water, and that's it, and then we could eat. Alright, family, so add your water. Now cook your rice for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, family, so the rice is finally ready. And I want to show you guys what it looks like ready. You can squeeze it and you can see that it's nice and fluffy, and it looks a little purple, and that means that it's ready. Now it's time to eat. It's finally ready, family. I made boneless spare ribs, black rice, and Chinese broccoli. Now let's go for the bite. Wow. Now let's try this black rice. Whoa. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you next week. Peace. This recipe is not only delicious, family, but it's also alkaline. If you guys have received value from my recipe videos, definitely check me out on my website and hit these videos in my playlist right here.